What's going on, my friends? The Rag Company has just released 4 new products. It's called the ULTRA H2O, and this is a pressure washer accessory setup. So we're gonna go through, unbox these, test them, use them, and show you their new products. Let's start with the ULTRA H2O spray gun. Nice packaging, put everything together. Look at this. I like that it comes with the different accessories. We have the gun here, nice gray and black. Looks great. These are all stainless steel internals. That's very important, so you don't want anything to rust. Right away, you can see the lock button on the bottom. That's nice. Pulling the trigger and you can lock it, it stays in. Let's test that lock. That's nice. And this right here is what I really like, because this is a nozzle holder. So switching from nozzles to the foam cannon, I always put it in my pocket or I put it on the table and I end up losing it. So this is really nice that it has a nozzle holder built right into the gun. I really like that. The gun too, it's hard plastic, most of it's hard plastic, but then the handle here is like a soft grip, which is really nice. Ooh, it fits the hands. In the kit, it looks like you get the gun, you get a couple different, looks like sizes. This may be, actually, you know what, this may be for the actual pressure washer hose. That's cool, they include that as well. Ooh, and then it is a 360 swivel on the bottom, so that's really nice so it doesn't bunch up the hose or get the hose all twisted. That's really nice. And then another, this may be a garden hose, this may be the other side. And then it also comes with some Teflon tape, which is cool. And it comes with, ooh, some extra rubber grommets there. Those are important. Those are wear out pieces, right? That are usually inside here. So if you look inside here, there's rubber ring around there. There's an O-ring. And sometimes those can wear out or even fall out. So they provided some extras just in case it falls out and starts leaking on you. That's awesome. Thank you, Rag Company. You made it for me. All of these products work together. So it also comes with nozzles here. So we have 3, 4, and a 5. And what that is, that's gallons, right? So 3.0 is the size, but that's usually the gallons per minute, right? So 3 gallons, 4 gallons, 5 gallons per minute, per second. I don't know that, but I know that's the gallons. And they're each a pattern of 40. 40 is a pretty common pattern for when you're rinsing a car. It's a nice pattern. It's not too in. A 25 can be a little aggressive. You don't want anything that's just shooting straight either. So a 40s are pretty good for rinsing the car and using in detailing. So I like that. Let's open one up. Rag Company always on point with their packaging and box and graphics and everything. So did a real nice job here. Look at that. It's got the nozzle protector that I really like on the outside. Very, very nice. They got the Rag Company logo on it. Beautiful. What's nice about this gun too, this is a push to connect, right? So you can just push it in and it connects automatically. All right, removed the MTM trigger that we use. This is fine, this has worked great. I've had this for a long time. I have no problems with this whatsoever. But this is the regular nozzle, right? So this is not a push to connect. You push this in, it doesn't go in. You actually have to pull this back, get it in there, and then push it in and make sure it clicks, because oftentimes when you're doing this and you're doing it really quick, you might actually end up with that nozzle where it's not fully clicked in, and then you pull the trigger and it goes poof and dents the car. You don't want that. And that's really nice for switching it really fast, especially when you're washing. Let's go ahead and get a nozzle in here and just do some spraying, right? Oh, that's so nice. It feels a little bit lighter. It feels lighter than the MTM. It feels nice, it feels great. It pulls back very easily. So when you're pulling back, I mean, look at one finger. While we're here, just want to compare it to this guy. Let's use the same nozzle. All right, that's interesting. I feel like the MTM gun has a little more power coming from it. That makes no sense, but no, it's the same. It just does feel lighter. It feels really light. I like it. I usually don't use the wand, but if you want a wand, they also have a wand here. Let's go ahead and open this up. I like just using the short handle by itself, but the wand can be nice if you're doing, like you want to get some undercarriage, or you got like a big truck that you need to get on top of and you need that extra room. So again, very, very nice packaging. I like the look. I like the gray and black. It's very sleek looking. And then you do have the rubberized on the bottom there if you're gonna hold it. And then this looks like it's also a push to connect. Very nice. And it does come with some extra O-rings, rubber O-rings as well. So that's really nice to have in there. So let me grab something. For a long time, the MTM foam cannon has been a staple within the industry, and they revised their foam cannon a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and they made it wide mouth, which is nice because when you're filling it up, you got a little wider mouth to put whatever chemical and water in there. But honestly, they made it worse. Because when you put this on and you put it in, it comes loose, like a lot, and then it just falls, and that's really annoying. The actual mechanism works great, right? Like when you push it in, plug it in, you foam the car, it works great. All the buttons work great. I like the little click on top and everything. It's just the actual bottle actually staying on when you're using it. You know, it wears out pretty quick, and I just haven't been very happy with it. And I know the rag company has done something with their foam cannon to actually fix this. Let's take a look at it and compare it to it. All right, so it has a wide mouth in here. Same size, similar shape and everything. It does have some cool contours in there. Oh, that's cool. They have the measuring on the side there, so they have ounces and milliliters. They do have that on the MTM too. You can see it's pretty worn out on the one we have there. But that's awesome to be able to measure any of your products that go in there. Pulling out the actual nozzle here. And so inside of the foam cannon, you're gonna find your tube. This is the tube that actually connects to the inside here. We're gonna press that on. A nice soft little tube there. Get that in there. And then on the inside, you'll see there's an O-ring that helps seal the nozzle on the foam cannon. And in the box here, you get an extra one. So in case that starts to leak or breaks, again, it's another wear item that you'll have to replace from time to time. This is cool. At the end of the nozzle here, you can see it's like a little stainless steel weight. That obviously helps keep that on the bottom there and keeps it from floating up from whatever product that you have in there. And then it does have a little bit of a filter on here, so it'll suck everything up. Very tiny holes. Hopefully those don't get clogged, especially if you're using something thicker within that. Hopefully not. Let's look at the bottom of this one. Oh, this one has the same thing. So you see the stainless steel in the bottom. And this one doesn't have any problems. What I'm really excited about is this. Let's see how it fits. Pretty tight. It does click in. Time will tell if this ends up wearing out, because it is the same concept. You have these grooves that are out here, and it fits in to these little holes on the cap here, and then you'll just twist it in place and lock it in. Hopefully that stays that way, because we don't want this bottle to fall. It feels pretty good now, but it's brand new, right? So we're gonna use this for a while. You know, once it starts to wear in, does that cap stay on there? I'm hoping it does. All right. I put a lot of soap in there. I wanna see it foam. There you can see I have thicker foam when it's all the way up, and then I turn it down here, and that's a little more watery, so it's not gonna suck up as much solution in there. So very nice. Oh yeah, I like the thick stuff. All right, let's look at the actual nozzle here now. Very similar. On the top, we have an adjustment for the water flow. That's how much water is going to be coming through the actual gun here, and then it pulls in the liquid there. So if you want it a little more watery, you're gonna go up. If you want it less, you're gonna go down. And then the actual turning mechanism here, which opens this on how much foam you want. So you got that straight line shot there, and then make it wide. That's super wide. Look at how wide that is. It's a little too wide, actually. There we go. That's a little bit better. And then you can actually turn, okay, cool, it has 2 turns, yeah. So if you want to do it vertical or horizontal, you can turn it that way. All right, I'm gonna rinse this off now. So this is the size 3 nozzle. I actually want to try, let's just go to the top one, size 5. This should put more water out. Now, they have different nozzle sizes because depending on the pressure washer you're using, yeah, take a look at that. So look at the size difference. So on the right, we have the size 3. On the left, we have the size 5. So depending on your gallons per minute out of your pressure washer will determine what nozzle size you can and can't use, because you may suffocate the machine if you go to a 5 and it's not getting enough water. So this will put out a lot more water. We got the AR630 here, so it should be plenty for this 5.0 nozzle. Oh yeah! That's better. More water means rinsing faster. Yeah, I like that 5.0 nozzle better. Oh yeah, nice. All right, there you go, the Reg Company new line. 4, I guess if you count the nozzles, it's like 7. 4 new different types of products here. Really like the foam cannon, works great. Is there anything super new or innovative with this? Yes, a couple things. Stainless steel, I love the one connect, the push to connect, very nice. And then having that nozzle holder on the gun is super cool, and the easy trigger lock. So it all looks great. Time will tell if this cap here stays on. I'm hoping it does. It fits really tight and nice right now, but those are the products. Check them out. We'll have all the links in the description below. If you have any questions or want to test them yourself, please do it. Buy them on Car Supplies Warehouse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.